Here we will see variables in Python. Variables are used to store the data. They take memory space based on the type of value that we assign to them. A Python variable is a symbolic name that is reference or a pointer to an object. Once an object is assigned to a variable, you can refer to the object by that name. But the data itself is still contained within the object. There are some rules for defining the variables. Variable name is known as identifier. The name of the variable must always start with either letter or underscore. For example, underscore str or str. The name of the variable cannot start with the number. For example, 9num is not a valid variable name. The name of the variable cannot have special characters such as %, $, hash, etc. They can only have the alphanumerical characters and underscores. In Python, variable name is case sensitive, which means that small num and capital num are two different variables. Commonly used methods for constructing a multi-word variable names are camel case. Here, second and subsequent words are capitalized to make the word boundaries easier to see. For example, number of college student. Here, first letter N is in small letter and O, C and S are in capital letter. Pascal case. Identical to the camel case, except that the first word is also capitalized. Should be used for functions and variable names. For example, number of college student. Here N is also in capital letter. And next is snake case. Here words are separated by underscores. Should be used for class name. For example, number of college students. Here number and of are separated by underscore. Of and college is separated by underscore. And college and student is also separated by underscore. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, x equal to 5 and y equal to abc. And when we use print x and print y, the output will be 5 and abc. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. For example, first x equal to 4 is assigned where x is a type of integer. And if we assign x equal to abc, now the type of x is string. And when we print x, the output will be abc. Casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, then this can be done with casting. For example, x equal to str3, which will assign string 3 to x. Y equal to int 3, which will assign y equal to 3. And z equal to float 3, which will assign z equal to 3.0. We can assign multiple variables in a single statement. For example, x equal to y equal to z equal to 99. And when we use print x, print y and print z, the output will be 99 for x, y and z. Plus and concatenation operation can be done on the variables. For example, if we assign x equal to 10 and y equal to 20, and when we print x plus y, it will give output 30. And if we assign p equal to hello, q equal to world, and when we print p plus q, the output will be hello world. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, if we create two variables a equal to 4 and capital A equal to abc, here capital A will not overwrite the small a.